Hey guys, welcome to NS Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to download iOS 14 onto any of the devices that are compatible. And the list is on the screen right now that are compatible with iOS 14. And I will also leave a list in the description so you can take a look before you go ahead and start downloading this software. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. So let's go ahead and get started. So the one I'm downloading it on is iPhone 6 Plus. And let me show you. This one does not have iOS 14, and this is 12.4.8. And to get started, you'll have to go to Safari, and then you'll go to Beta Profiles. So once you're in Beta Profile, you'll see a list, and you'll be clicking on iOS 14, and then click the download button, and then say download anyways. And then it will give you this, and it'll say, do you want to allow this? And just say allow, and then close. And then let me show you where you find it. Then you'll get out of that, go to settings, and then go all the way down. In general, you'll see profile, and click on profile. You'll see iOS 14 beta software profile. Click on that, and it says verified iOS 14 beta software profile, and then you can hit install, and it'll ask you for your password, and then just hit install. And then it'll ask you that it requires you have to restart your device in order to download the software. And then it will start coming back on, and we'll wait for that to come on, and it will go ahead and start downloading. It will take a little bit to come back on, and then it'll come to this screen, and you'll say just enter your password. And once you have entered your password, go back to settings, click on general, scroll down to profile, click on profile. You'll see iOS 14 beta software profile. Click on that, and it does not give you an option to install. So don't waste your time trying to install iOS 14 onto iPhone 5, 5S, 6, 6 Plus, because it does not work on those devices. And I will leave a list of compatible devices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, and I will try to answer those questions for you. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.